Crypto is still here, and in 2025, it's smarter, safer, and more beginner-friendly than ever. But with thousands of coins, scams, and AI-generated hype, where do you even start? Welcome to Future Finance Lab, where smart money meets smart tech. Today, I'm breaking down everything beginners need to know before diving into crypto in 2025 without getting burned. Stick around to the end. I'll reveal the 3 safest coins for beginners and 1 AI tool that makes crypto super simple. Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that uses blockchain to be secure, decentralized, and sometimes fast. In 2025, crypto isn't just Bitcoin. It powers payment apps, online banks, and even AI investing bots. You don't need to mine it. You don't need to be a coder. And no, it's not too late. Crypto in 2025 is about saving in stablecoins, earning interest via DeFi, sending money globally in seconds. Let's clear the biggest beginner mistakes: chasing hype coins. If it's trending on TikTok, you're probably late. Ignoring fees. Many exchanges still charge up to 3%. FOMO buying. If the price just spiked, wait. Don't buy green candles. Tip: follow trends. Don't follow hype. Wallets for beginners. Coinbase Wallet. Easy. Beginner-friendly trust wallet. Great for mobile MetaMask. For Ethereum and DeFi. Track your portfolio with CoinMarketCap app. CoinStats AI budget tracker like ChatGPT plus Google Sheets. Bonus AI tip: I asked ChatGPT to suggest the best coins based on news and risk. It worked surprisingly well. These are beginner-friendly and less risky picks for 2025. Bitcoin, BTC, the OG, volatile but reliable. Ethereum, ETH, used in smart contracts and DeFi. USDC or USDT, stablecoins. No growth, but no risk. Great for saving. Start small, even $10 to $50 is enough to learn, and always store your recovery phrase offline. Crypto isn't the future, it's the now, and you're still early. Comment your questions and subscribe for more Future Finance Lab content.